Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel, The Lecture for Sleep. Tonight we're embarking on a very special journey. We're stepping into a place designed for deep tranquility, a space I call the dark corridor. Imagine a long, quiet hallway, softly lit, with walls that seem to absorb every sound, every worry. Each step you take down this corridor is a step further away from the noise of the day and closer to the peaceful embrace of sleep. This isn't just a lecture, it's an experience, a guided meditation to help you unlock the restorative power of your own mind. So get comfortable, dim your lights, and let's begin our walk together. First, let's talk about why we're here. Many of us struggle with sleep. The day's events replay in our minds, worries about tomorrow creep in, and our bodies, though tired, just can't seem to switch off. We toss and turn, frustrated, watching the clock tick by. This channel is dedicated to changing that. We believe that sleep isn't something you should have to fight for. It's a natural state your body and mind crave. The dark corridor is a mental tool, a sanctuary you can build in your imagination to help you transition from wakefulness to slumber. It's about creating a ritual, a gentle and consistent practice that signals to your entire being that it's time to rest. Before we enter the corridor, let's prepare ourselves. Find a comfortable position. It doesn't matter if you're lying in bed or sitting in a chair. Just allow your body to feel supported. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Feel your chest and belly expand. And now, exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing the air with a gentle sigh. Let's do that again. A deep breath in, feeling the air as it enters your body, cool and fresh. And a long, slow breath out, letting go of any tension you might be holding. One more time. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Notice how your body already starts to feel a little heavier, a little more relaxed. Now, bring your awareness to your surroundings without opening your eyes. Acknowledge the sounds you can hear, far away or close by. Don't label them as good or bad, just notice them. Acknowledge the temperature of the air on your skin. Acknowledge the feel of the blankets or the fabric of your clothes. You are here, in this moment, safe and secure. These sensations are simply part of the present. They don't need to be changed. You can just let them be, like clouds passing in the sky. Your only task right now is to breathe and to be. There's nowhere else you need to go, nothing else you need to do. With your eyes still closed, I want you to begin to visualize the entrance to the dark corridor. It can look however you wish. Perhaps it's an old, ornate wooden door at the end of a familiar room. Maybe it's a simple, modern doorway that seems to appear out of thin air. Or it could be an archway, made of ancient stone, covered in soft, green moss. Take a moment to see this entrance clearly in your mind. What does the handle look like? What is the texture of the door? It's your corridor. Your creation. There is no right or wrong way for it to appear. This is your personal sanctuary. Now mentally reach out and open the door. As it swings inward, you're not met with complete darkness, but with a soft, gentle, and inviting dimness. The air inside is still and calm, and a profound sense of peace emanates from within. You feel a pull, a gentle invitation to step inside. Take that first step across the threshold. As you do, imagine leaving the day's worries behind you, like taking off a heavy coat and leaving it by the door. With each step into the corridor, you feel lighter. The door slowly and silently closes behind you, shutting out the noise and demands of the outside world. You are now inside the dark corridor. Look down the long, straight path ahead of you. The walls are smooth and dark, absorbing all light and sound. The floor is soft beneath your feet, perhaps like thick carpet or cool, smooth stone. The only light comes from very dim, intermittent sources along the walls. They are not bright enough to be distracting, just enough to show you the way forward. The light is warm and comforting, like candlelight or the soft glow of distant stars. This corridor stretches on, seemingly endless, but this isn't daunting, it's reassuring. It means you have all the time and space you need. Let's begin to walk slowly down this corridor. With each step, we'll focus on relaxing a part of our body. Let's start with your feet. As you take a step, bring your awareness to your toes, the soles of your feet your heels, and your ankles. With your next step, consciously release all the tension held there. Imagine the tightness melting away, flowing out through the soles of your feet and being absorbed by the soft floor. Your feet feel heavy, warm, and completely relaxed. They have carried you all day, and now they can rest. Now, let's move that wave of relaxation up into your lower legs, your calves and shins. With your next slow step down the corridor, feel any tightness or fatigue in these muscles simply dissolving. The muscles become loose and soft. Your legs feel wonderfully heavy and still. Continue walking and let this feeling of deep relaxation travel up into your knees and your thighs. These are large, powerful muscles that work hard for you. Give them permission to let go completely. Feel the heaviness spreading, a comfortable, warm sensation that anchors you, making you feel stable and secure. As you continue your gentle walk, bring your awareness to your hips, your pelvis, and your lower back. This is an area where we often hold a lot of stress without even realizing it. With your next step, imagine a warm, soothing light spreading throughout this entire region, loosening every muscle, every joint. Release the tension you've been holding in your lower back. Feel your hips sink into a state of deep ease. You feel grounded and supported. The soft floor of the corridor seems to rise up to meet you, holding you. Now, let the wave of relaxation continue its journey upward, into your stomach and chest. Let your belly be soft. With each breath, feel it gently rise and fall. Release any knots of anxiety you might be holding here. As you breathe out, imagine those knots untying, dissolving into nothing. Let your chest feel open and light. Your breathing is slow and regular, a gentle rhythm that echoes the quiet calm of the corridor. Your heartbeat is steady and strong, a quiet drumbeat in the peaceful silence. Continue your slow walk. Let the relaxation flow into your shoulders. This is another common storage place for stress. Consciously lower your shoulders, letting them drop away from your ears. Feel the weight of the world lifting from them. Imagine all the burdens you've been carrying simply sliding off and disappearing into the darkness of the corridor. Your shoulders become loose, relaxed, and free. This feeling of release then flows down your arms, through your elbows, into your forearms, and all the way to your hands and fingertips. Your arms feel heavy and limp, resting peacefully at your sides. Now let's focus on your neck and your throat. Let the muscles in your neck become soft and pliable. Release any stiffness. Allow your head to feel comfortably supported by your neck, perfectly balanced. Let go of any tightness in your throat. You have nothing to say, no one to answer to. There is only the peaceful silence of the corridor. Your jaw is another place that holds surprising tension. Gently unclench your jaw. Let your lips part slightly. Let your tongue rest comfortably in your mouth. Finally, let this wave of relaxation move up into your face. Soften the muscles around your mouth. Relax your cheeks. Let your eyes feel heavy and calm behind your closed eyelids. Smooth out your forehead. Release any furrow in your brow. Imagine your entire scalp relaxing. From the top of your head to the tips of your toes, your entire body is now in a state of deep, profound relaxation. You are still walking slowly, almost floating, down the endless, peaceful, dark corridor. As you move through this deep state of physical relaxation, you might notice thoughts arising in your mind. This is perfectly normal. Don't try to fight them or push them away. Instead, treat them as you did the sounds from earlier. Acknowledge them without judgment. See them as clouds passing in the sky of your mind. Or you can imagine each thought is a soft, glowing orb that you can gently place on a shelf along the corridor wall as you pass by. You are not ignoring them. You are simply setting them aside for now. You can always pick them up tomorrow if you need to, but for tonight, they can rest here, outside of your mind. The further you walk down this corridor, the quieter your mind becomes. The space between your thoughts grows longer. The silence is no longer empty. It's full of peace. It's a restorative, healing silence. You feel yourself drifting, moving effortlessly. You are safe. You are calm. You are completely at ease. This corridor was made for you, a perfect path leading to the deepest, most restorative sleep. Keep walking, or perhaps you feel like stopping now. You might see a comfortable bed or a soft chair appear by the side of the path. It's for you. Feel free to lie down and let the peacefulness of the corridor envelop you completely. The dim lights grow even softer, the silence even deeper. There is nothing left to do, nothing to think about. There is only this feeling of profound peace and the gentle pull of sleep. Allow yourself to surrender to it. Let your consciousness drift like a boat on a calm, dark lake. Let the gentle waves of drowsiness rock you into a deep and restful sleep. Sleep that will refresh your body, calm your mind, and restore your spirit. The dark corridor has brought you to the door of dreams. You can now step through, sleep now, sleep well. Thank you for joining the lecture for sleep. We'll be here for you again next time. Good night.